Hi, welcome back to Outside Rusted Junk Garage. Today, we've got one of the window screens on the house here that needs a little bit of repair. One of the finger tabs on it has come off, so I'm going to show you how to fix that yourself. Okay, here's the finger tab that has come out of the screen. And this is obviously, you just use your fingers when you're taking these off the house. So very simple. All you're going to need, flat blade screwdriver, maybe, a pocket knife, and this rubber tool, rolling tool here. And it just rolls the rubber. You can see it's concave and it captures the rubber and rolls it in. Got a couple different sizes. These come in a kit you can buy on Amazon. It comes with rubber, and most of them come with about a 48-inch by 100-inch of the fiberglass black screen too for replacing the whole screen, which is very simple, and I'll talk to you a little bit about that too. Those are about 15 bucks. There's all kinds of different flavors, but this tool is the make or break on the deal here. So anyway, you want to make sure you have this facing the right way. If you can look at that one, you can see. Or if both of them come out, just go look at another screen on your house. So this one here is the corner one. So here's where the break is in it. So you just peel that up a little bit and pull your rubber out. Look at the way it's indexed. You can see it's on this side, and it's about 4 inches in. So you take that, get it in your groove there, and you see it falls right into the track. Then you just make sure your screen is snug on it, and give your rubber a little push down in. Take your tool and roll that rubber down in there. You push. You don't push too hard. It does it. So you can see there, that finger tab is back in there. The screen is nice and tight, and you're done with the project. So couple minute fix. It's better than trying to go buy a new screen or something like that. So if I can make this happen, you can do it too. Real simple, and just helps out around the home and gets you on to the next project. So it's all good. There you go. Thanks for joining us outside Rusted Junk Garage today. Hope this little tip helped you. It's, like I said, very easy. You can do it yourself. Catch you on the next one. How neat is that?